Yo, what's up everybody? Tech King Mike back with another video. And in today's video, we're going to talk about the Crave case for the Google Pixel 6 Pro. Now, this has become quickly my favorite case, not just because it's navy blue, because that's one of my favorite colors, but because it is one of the most solid cases that I've used in a long time. It kind of reminds me of the Spigen Thin Fit in a way, but it's a little bit more of a solid case. So we're going to get into this case in this video and talk about this one. It's a very cheap, very affordable case, and with a lot of cases on back order right now, if you're looking for a case for your Google Pixel 6 Pro, I think you will enjoy this one, and it comes in multiple colors as well. So let's go ahead, flip that camera around, and let's talk about the Crave case for the Google Pixel 6 Pro. Cue that intro. So like I said, we got the Crave Protection Series case for the Google Pixel 6 Pro. Now, I keep calling it the Crave case, but it's actually the Crave Protection Series case. So just ignore the fact that I keep leaving out a whole 2 extra words for the case, and we're going to call it the Crave Protection Series case. So what this case is this is the Slim Guard Google Pixel 6 Pro case. Now, what this case consists of is an ultra slim design, shock absorption, premium quality, precise cutouts. Now, when we get to the cutouts, I'll explain to you why this is one of my favorite cases in regards to that. Because I'm no case snob, and I'm not going to be one of those people that like nitpicks on the little things about a case. But I'll tell you why the precise cutouts is a good thing for me. So, as you can see, I've already opened this thing up, and I've already been using it. But pretty much a very, straightforward presentation. That's what you get inside when you open it. And then, of course, you get your little styrofoam insert, and that's it. So taking a look around the case. Now, like I said, you have a solid material on the inside. Got that scratchy, like polycarbonate material on the outside. Very reminiscent of like the shell of an OtterBox on the outside, in my opinion. You have a nice raised area for the camera bar. And then around the edge, as you can see, it's black. But that edge is more of like a rubbery, kind of like a silicone material. Like you can see how it's flexing right there. But here's one of the reasons why I like it so much. Now, with a lot of devices, let me show you guys for comparison here. With a lot of devices that are thin like this, let's say like a Spigen Thin Fit, like I compared it to in the intro, you're going to have cases that you see how they have the precise cutouts. This is for the iPhone 13 Pro Max, by the way. But you see how there's that, you see how you can see through the case? You see how you can see through there? With this one, you don't get that. So you don't have any kind of dirt and debris coming through the case that's going to get on your buttons. I don't know why, but I hate that with a passion. So, and of course, we have the sort of sunny Google Pixel 6 Pro. But when you slap this case on it, you can't even tell what color this phone is. You can't tell what color this phone is unless you can see just a few little subtle gold underneath there. And you can see a little bit of it right up here. But for the most part, you can't really tell what color the phone is. Now, that's not an issue for me. Like I said, the sort of sunny has grown on me, so I'm not worried about hiding the color. But I like that this feels like it's truly protected. This really feels like the phone is like solid and protected. Now, the buttons, everything works really well with the buttons, volume up and down, power button and everything like that. Of course, you have your opening for your USB-C cutout and both of your speaker ports down there at the bottom. You got your microphone cut out as well up here at the top. So overall, this is a really solid case. Now, someone asked me yesterday in the video for the Rinky cases about a lip on the phone, especially with this having the curved edges and with the swipe gestures in Android 12. I can safely say the lip on this phone is there, more so at the top than it is at the side. So you will not have a single problem using this case to do any kind of swipe gestures or anything. And let me go ahead and clear the screen off here, and I'll show you guys exactly what that will look like. So here we are on the home screen. So as you can see, I'm able to scroll up and down with no issue, no problem. And I'm going to go to YouTube, and let's just go to YouTube, and I'll just go ahead and just click on one of my videos just so you guys can see for me if I wanted to like swipe backwards or anything. So we'll just click on this video yesterday to Google, because as you can see, you can swipe back with no issue. So it's no problem at all using this case. And no problem at all. So like I said, your swipe gestures will be just fine. But anyway, that is going to be the Crave Protection Series case, aka the Slim Guard for the Google Pixel 6 Pro. This is one of my favorite cases that I've gotten for this phone. And I have a few others that are on order. They're just all back ordered. It is what it is. It takes a while for these cases to ship out when a new phone releases. But I'm glad that this one was able to come fairly quickly. Like I said, it's only $13.99 on Amazon, and I got it the next day shipping. So I'm sure you should be able to get it the same in your area. But Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, drop a like and a comment down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. And also, let me know what case do you have on your phone. If you like this case, if you're able to pick one up, come back and comment to the video later, man. Would love to know your thoughts on it. I'll catch you guys in the next video. It's your man, Tech King Mike. Peace out.